Hey guys, I'm just going to quickly go over how you can add black bars to your video in Davinci Resolve. First, I'm going to show you how to create static black bars, and then I'm going to show you how to animate them so it looks like they're coming into your video. Creating static black bars is very simple. All you need to do is click on your video, go and click on Inspector in the top right corner, scroll down to where it says cropping, and then change the crop bottom and crop top to your liking. Now let's say you want to animate your black bars. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that the playhead is at the beginning of your video, and then over back in cropping and inspector, click on the two diamonds next to crop top and crop bottom. Next, you'll want to drag your playhead to where you want your black bars to be animated in by, and then click on those diamonds again. Now change the crop top and crop bottom values to your liking. And now you should have your animated black bars. If you want to make your animation speed quicker, click on the diamond in the bottom right corner of your video, and then drag that second diamond closer to the first one. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. And if you need more help with Davinci Resolve, you can click on this playlist popping up on the screen now and it'll show you all my tutorials.